Beginning with the name of God, who is the creator, maintainer, builder, developer, distributor, mighty majestic of entire cosmos. Here is Nishant Kumar, and today our topic is the important points in zoology. So today we will discuss about the 9 important points, and it is very helpful, it is very beneficial, it is very the conceptual as well as some are to be cramped, but these is are very helpful in your competitive and aptitude examination. So they are the mostly repeated questions. So today we will discuss here some important points which are most repeated questions in. So first question is father of zoology. As you know that who is the father of zoology? There is Aristotle. Aristotle Aristotle is the father of zoology. Second, we have question that Aristotle is the father of embryology as well as is the father of biology. Aristotle is the father of the embryology, biology, zoology, and also in social sciences. It is the father of he is the father of political science. So Aristotle is the father of zoology. If there are three multiple questions and he asked who the father of Aristotle is the father of, and option are three. First is options are four. First is zoology, second biology, then embryology, and D all of these. Then tick D all of these. After this, there is who coined the term species. The term species, as you are very well aware of this term, that Ray, John Ray coined the term species, and also he gave the concept of a species. Species are the individual of the individuals which can interbreed with themselves and produce their fertile progeny. So these are the species. So species term coined by John Ray. Who wrote book philosophy zoologic? Philosophy zoologic जो है term he was the book philosophy zoologic was written by uh, Lamarck. Lamarck. He was scientist and he wrote the books philosophy zoology. Who coined the terms biology, vertebrate, invertebrate, annelida? So term all these four terms are coined by Lamarck. Lamarck coined the term biology, vertebrate, invertebrate, and annelida. Then there is fifth question is who coined term phylum? The term phylum was coined by G.L. Cuvier. G.L. Cuvier. G.L. Cuvier coined the term phylum. Singular phylum, plural phyla. Who coined the term protozoa? The term protozoa was coined by Goldfuss. Goldfuss. Who coined the term porifera? Porifera term was coined by Robert Grant. Who coined the term Perazoa? Term Perazoa, Metazoa, Eumetazoa, you are aware of this in animal diversity, and Porifera, phylum Porifera belong to the Perazoa. because it is primitive animals. It belongs to primitive animals which lack of tissues known as parazoa. So the term parazoa, was coined by uh, Solas. Solas, who coined the term arthropoda. Arthropoda is the phylum. Arthropoda is the largest phylum of the kingdom Animalia in numbers. Means there are the lot of number of species animals. The lot of number of animals belong to the phylum Arthropoda in kingdom Animalia. So von Siebold, Siebold, Siebold. Von Siebold coined the term arthropoda. Arthropoda term was coined by von Siebold. I hope you get it well, and I try very hard to make it easy way, because these things are to be cramped. This is the theory. So theory is to be memorized, it to be read, and they are not means as conceptual as the subject like mathematics. So these are the theory, we have to read it, we have to mull over it, we have to go through the literature of biology, then it will become easy for us. Otherwise it is too complicated. For the repetition, for solving the MCQs, to read the literature of zoology, biology, botany, and microbiology, these terms are mainly mostly repeated in these. So I have scratched out these terminologies, and their discoverer, so it make you easy to get it and to be qualify your test. So these are very important. I hope you get it. Thank you very much.